Artificial intelligence is a vast topic and it is something which you will have to master bit by bit. However, there are many basic projects that you can take up as a beginner in AI. There are plenty of resources online, but sometimes as a beginner in AI doesn't know where to start. This video will help you to get interesting ideas on projects in AI. Hey everyone, welcome to Simply Learn. Before moving on, please make sure you subscribe to Simply Learn's YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss any updates. Let us define artificial intelligence first. Artificial intelligence is a technique of turning a computer-based robot to work and act like humans. Now, let me list out important AI projects for you. Face detection system. It is a form of biometric recognition, a method for identifying or confirming someone's identity by glancing at their face is called facial recognition. People can be identified by securing a match on facial ID using this technique. Real-time visuals, videos and photos can be the sources to run face detection. This technology is mostly employed in security and law enforcement. OpenCV is the best technology to create it. A Python package called OpenCV is made specifically to address computer vision jobs. Computer vision is a process used in the processing of images by computers. It is concerned with the in-depth comprehension of digital photos or films. It is necessary to automate operations that can be performed by human visual systems. Therefore, a computer should be able to identify items like a statue or a lamppost or even the face of a human being. Second one is chatbot. It is the best idea if you have chosen chatbot as your project topic. This will make your resume more attractive in case you are looking for a job. An Oracle survey suggests that 80% of the businesses uses chatbot. You can use Python, Java, Ruby, C++ or PHP as a programming language to develop a chatbot. Designing and building NLP chatbots that accept speech and text data is made easier by Dialogflow. You can go through many projects to get the rough idea. There are many platforms which will help you to build a chatbot. Regardless of how excellent your chatbot is, there is always room for development. The finest chatbot developers constantly enhance their bots over the time using AI and machine learning. Social media recommendation system. The rise of web services like Netflix, Amazon and YouTube has increased the use of recommender systems in our daily lives. They are algorithms that assist users in finding information that is pertinent to them. Recommender systems are important in some firms since they can generate a lot of income or allow you to set yourself apart from rivals. In order to provide recommendations, it evaluates the relationship between the user and the object as well as the parallels between users and possessions. Coming to predicting stock, this application is widely applicable everywhere. As AI career aspirants, one will love to develop stock prediction applications as it is full of data. This project would be ideal for students who want to work in the finance industry because it can provide them a better understanding of various aspects of the field. Coming to medical diagnosis, this project is advantageous from a medical standpoint. AI projects can be created to detect heart-based diseases and also detect cancer. It is intended to offer patients with heart illness online medical advice and guidance. After processing the data, this system will search the database for any illnesses that might be connected to the given details. Using data mining techniques, this intelligent system determines the disease that the patient's information most closely resembles. Based on the system diagnosis, users can then speak with qualified medical professionals. Users of the system can also view information about various doctors. Coming to an important project, that is search engine. Search engines are utilized by all. We look for information on the greatest product to buy, a nice area to hang out, or solutions to any questions we have. NLP is quite significant in modern search engines because a lot of language processing takes place there. Python is the widely used language to develop any search engine. Search engine is mainly confined with lots and lots of data. It is helpful for any AI career aspirants. Next is virtual assistants. Here the challenge is to build a virtual assistant to assist user. Why do you need virtual assistant in your devices when you are building your own? It is also interesting for a ML developer to build a virtual assistant. It involves NLP and data mining. Voice-based virtual assistants are popular today because they make life easier for users. NLP is utilized to comprehend human language in order to construct this system. When a voice command is received, the system will translate it into machine language and store the commands in its database. Hate speech detection in social media. Automated hate speech detection is a crucial weapon in the fight against hate speech propagation, especially on social media. For the job, many techniques have been developed, including a recent explosion of deep learning based system. For the objective of detecting hate speech, a number of techniques have been investigated, including conventional classifiers, classifiers based on deep learning, and combination of both of them. On the other hand, a number of dataset benchmarks, including Twitter sentiment analysis, have been introduced and made available for the evaluation of the performance of these algorithms. And the last one is predicting house price. You will need to estimate the sale price of a brand new home in any place for this assignment. The dataset for this project includes information on the cost of homes in various city neighborhoods. The UCI machine learning repository is the place where you may find the dataset needed for this research. You will also receive other dataset with information on the age of the population, the city's crime rate, and the location of non-retail enterprises in addition to the pricing of various residences. It's an excellent project to test your knowledge if you are a newbie. As we mentioned, there are many different branches of AI, each employing a different set of methods and technique. This is a good thing for a beginner since you can select a project that is interesting to you and not worry about being able to implement all of the different techniques and methods. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more from Simplilearn. Till then, happy learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.